Welcome back to another video. Hey, in this video, I'm going to unbox the Riley Defense AK-47. This is an American-made AK-47 based on the online community, the Reddits of the world, and the other gun forums. It has bad reviews. Basically, American AKs have bad reviews, and I did a little research, and what I found is in the past, when Riley Defense first started making AKs, all made in America, they had some quality issues. I believe they was using whatever stamps that they was using. It was not milled correctly. It had different problems, feeding problems and all other good stuff. So it gave them a bad reputation. However, I also read that within the last year or two, they fixed a lot of their problems internally with the quality of the AKs that they were making. And American AKs just has a bad reputation. You know, remind me of American cars. So either way, when I originally picked this up, I wanted a black AK. So as you see here, it's black. So that's the main reason why I picked it up. That was before I read all the bad information on it, even though it seems like a lot of that stuff was old problems. And once I went down that rabbit hole of looking at other manufacturers that either made American AKs or they got imported and then they did the refinement, I did read that a lot of them had quality issues, like the Century Arms in the very beginning where they Wasser 10s, they had problems in the past. And actually I have a Wasser 10. However, I never liked the fact that it did not have a muzzle on it. I got this maybe like 2013 or 14. I know it was a while back when I got this, and you know, it was, especially in my state, it was hard to come by. So that's actually the one that I got, and I wasn't really a big fan of it, but I had it. Then I wanted a black one, and then I wanted pretty much one that is more of a Russian import. So now this guy right here, it's still got the tag on it. Yeah, I'll take that off. All right, so this is it right here. As you can see, it's clear, nothing in there. The mag well is empty as it can be. And here go the round, the mag, 10 round mag, boom. All right, so this is it right here. So I'm gonna take a deeper look at it, break it down a little bit, check everything inside. What I did find that even within the last year, people who had problems with it, it was a lot of it was due to self-inflicted wounds, as far as people would disassemble it and don't reassemble it correctly, which cause all type of feeding problems. So I'm gonna give this shot out and give this a shot. Then I wanna compare it to my other AKs. All right, everyone, I'll check you on the next video.